Today we will learn how to create realistic window reflections in Photoshop. So let's create it from scratch. To make reflection of outside view, we need a photo of street. Adjust the image according to the perspective of our subject. This image is very sharp and reflection needs to be little bit blurred, so blur this image first, go to Filter, Blur, then Gaussian Blur. 2.4 is fine. Now as we all know, reflection brightens stuff and screen is the blend mode which brightens. So change the blend mode of this image to screen. Now as you can see it's very bright, we need to control the projection, so create a levels adjustment layer. Manipulate these sliders to control the reflection. Make sure to clip the levels adjustment layer by this button. Now it will affect only reflection. Values can be different according to your image. Goal is to make it realistic. Our fake reflection is almost ready. One thing is missing, there should be a color cast of window. Open adjustment layers and choose photo filter. Let's choose green in this case. You can choose any color. You can control its opacity by this slider. Let's give a final touch to it by creating a vignette. Create one more levels adjustment layer and decrease the lightness. Now take black hard round brush and dab on your subject. Now go to properties and just increase the feather of mask. Now decrease the opacity. I did minor tweaks later and this is my final result. So that's how you can create a realistic window reflection in Photoshop. I hope this video helped you. Make sure to like and subscribe to Design Spark for more amazing Photoshop tutorials.